Save the time and hassle of repositioning air movers. Use the versatile, compact powerhouse that dries in all directions at once. The Dri-Pod floor dryer's patented design directs high-velocity air across floors in a unique 360-degree pattern to dry up to 8 times faster than traditional blowers. Use it to dry wet entryways or after spills to prevent slip and fall accidents, quick dry carpets after cleaning or spot dry after spills, speed dry clean tile or hard surface floors. And the Dri-Pod is ideal for drying in tight spaces like cabinets or closets. Just place it in the center of the area you need to dry. Plug it in. It uses just 1 amp. After 10 minutes, check drying progress. If the space is larger than 80 square feet, power it off and reposition the blower to dry another damp area. Or connect up to 6 Dri-Pods via their onboard outlet and dry a larger area faster. The powerful yet quiet airflow stays low, hugging surfaces so it won't disturb occupants or papers on desks. The Dri-Pod dries 5 feet or more in all directions, covering at least 80 square feet. The Dri-Pod is ideal for drying smaller damp areas fast. For leaks or floods, check out other Dri-Eaz blowers with focused high-velocity airflow for professional drying power.